April 24th through 28th of 2023 is Coastal Industry Week in the state of Louisiana.
We are implementing projects that have literally been envisioned for decades.
I want to thank all of you, whether you're here from a private sector company, levy districts, environmental organizations, you might be a legislator or just private citizens or a community leader.
It's really a big statewide effort because Louisiana is surrounded by water, right? Water, we live with water every day, so we have to find ways to actually live with water.
Supporting Louisiana-based businesses and helping those businesses that are interested in doing coastal projects here in the state.
We work with a lot of the bigger companies, but we want to work with other companies also, and this lets us see who is out there.
So whenever there's an event such as this one, we always make a point to try to attend to, again, let people know who we are and the services that we offer.
So I'm here today to help talk to those contractors, those subcontractors, and let them know about who else we can bring to the table.
Having access to all of these coastal vendors in one spot, we love this.
We're going to let the best science and engineering move forward.
And so I wanted to come up today and just acknowledge how valuable it is when you put forth effort.
Bringing our coast back and saving our marshes, our seafood industry, and everything else.
I am from Louisiana, I'm born and raised, and so to be able to work on projects that basically protect our communities and protect our coast, it means a lot to me. It's very fulfilling.
As I look around this room, I see a lot of coastal champions. I see a lot of individuals that are responsible for the success that we've had over the last several years, that have helped us get to this point in time.
And we know the costs are too high for us to stray from the course. We just can't do that.